So this is the kids club. Kids are gonna hang out here for a bit while we go do our adventures in Ubud and check out Tanalot, the movie theater. They have a movie theater over here. We can hang out and watch movies. Oh my, there's a PS4 for Jet. Oh my gosh! The whole day they're gonna hang out here.
Baby, you guys, come here. You guys are making pizza, so that's what you're gonna have for lunch. Good? Okay. Okay. Drinks. Baby, out here. You can pick here later.
Oh, you guys can pick your food.
No, they're gonna make pizza. That's what they're gonna eat.
Oh.
They're just gonna pick their drinks now.
Hey,
Baby,
come here, come here.
pick your drinks later. Okay?
Look at what you're gonna drink later.
You know already what you want here.
That looks good.
Registration.
Spider Kid, Harry Potter, banana Oreo shake. You gotta finish it, okay?
So young. How old do you think I am? Are you already 30? Oh yes. 30? I mean, I'm 34.
This is where
Turning 11.
this is where Jet's gonna play PlayStation. And and then you guys can watch a movie over here. Guys,